We will be playing Truth or Dare. Okay, so I'm going to be reading it, these two, and then they got to read me one, and alright, let's go. Fabian's up first. Go. Truth or Dare?
True.
Is it true that you lick your toes at night?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Who does that?
Truth or Dare?
Dear.
I dare you to kiss Monty on the face.
Alright.
Hey, Monty.
It's raining. Monty! How about Rivers?
Alright, fine.
No,
Come here,
no, we need to find Monty
River.
because then it's going to mess up the video.
Mm.
Hold up.
Monty. Alright, he just probably ate something too. On the face.
Go,
Come here,
on the
Monty.
face.
Ew, look.
No, you have to bend down.
Alright, come here, Monty. Alright, I'm only doing this for the views.
No,
Stop moving.
Dude, you have to lick him.
No! I'm not gonna lick him.
Wait, what do you have to do?
Kiss him. Kiss him right here. Kiss him on his
Right
nose.
here, on his nose.
Keep him still. Keep him still!
Dude, just
Kiss
do it.
him. Kiss him.
Asher, truth or dare?
Wait, let me see. Is it recording? Yes, it is recording.
Truth or dare, Asher?
Truth.
Is it true that you had 2 girlfriends?
No. Nope.
Wait. You sure? Are you sure? Are you
Fine.
sure?
I asked the questions now.
No.
So, Fabian. Truth or dare?
Go dare. Yes.
Alright. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you to grab one of Asher's lighters, light it up, put it under your finger.
What? I didn't play with your phone. What were you talking about? Okay, go. It's
Truth or dare? Dare. I dare you. I dare you to go to the pool and put your head in the water.
that's stupid.
It's a dare. It's a dare.
You do have a point.
The dare.
Alright. Steven.
What?
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to lick Dusty's eyeball.
No, I refuse. I refuse.
You have to. That's
No,
a
I
dare.
refuse.
Alright, if he refuses, you gotta do another one.
I refuse.
Alright, but
It
the
had.
next one I say you can't do refuse. Alright?
If it involves
Truth
dogs, I'm not doing
or
it.
dare?
Truth.
Is it true that you still like Andrea,
Who's that?
his ex-girlfriend?
Oh! It's the wrong number!
Asher, truth or dare?
Dare.
Alright. When it stops raining, I dare you to go in a new pair of shorts, go get a towel, and jump in the pool.
I don't see how that's a dare. Throw me another one. That's
Fine.
not.
Alright, you
that's
can't
just doing something for fun.
Alright, you
That's
can't.
Okay, fine.
Alright, you
fine.
can't refuse. You can't refuse the
Fine.
next one, but
Fine.
actual dare.
fun. Don't do nothing.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright,
yeah.
I dare you. I dare you to try to do a rap battle with Fabian.
Okay.
Alright, about what?
About what?
About
No, you too.
I no YouTube videos, okay? But just roast each other. Try to roast each other in any way.
Girl, you ugly. Dang.
Alright, I see you licking that boy's butt. Something you don't got. Oh!
Worst roast ever.
What'd you say?
I see you licking that boy's butt. Something.
Alright, worst roast ever. Alright, next there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Alright, it's my turn.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to go to the mud pit and stick your head into it.
Oh.
Over there?
Yep.
Right now.
We'll do it later.
Alright. Oh my gosh.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Is it true that you...
Cue the suspenseful music.
Is it true that you swim like a dog?
No.
False! You swim like a dog!
I swim like a normal
Alright,
human being.
Asher's turn. Asher, truth or dare?
Dare.
After we go do the dares, I dare you to put your hand in the pond.
Okay, I swam in the pond. Psych! There's a gator in there, but I'll do it. Alright.
Alright, my turn.
No, we're going to go do the dares, guys. First, he's got to stick his head in the pool. And then we got to go. Then I got to do my hand in the pond. And then he's got to put his head in the mud. His face. Alright, head in the pool.
Put your head in the pool, boy.
Even though this is
Like
kind
my
of...
whole face and head?
Yeah.
No, your whole head, your entire head. Your entire head. Like up to your neck.
Alright, there. That's good.
Good enough?
Shut the door. Alright, we're heading to the pond, guys. There's a gator in here, so I kind of freaked out, but I doubt he'll come. Where am I going to stick my hand in at? I don't want to, like, fall in.
I'll hold you.
Wait, that's too deep. Let's go over here, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, my whole hand's got to go in the pond. You're covering up the people. Oh, this is disgusting, but... Ew. Alright, so he's got to do the nasty one of all. He already licked the dog. No, he kissed the dog.
We need to bring a bucket for like when I...
Alright, so guys, we are out here. We are walking to the mud pit. Alright, let's go. Barefoot. I wonder if there's any mud in the mud pit. It did rain. There was a turtle. There was a turtle in the mud pit